Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We already completed 3 lessons and we started a new lesson from class 5 and that is fraction. Okay, in previous class you learned what is fraction, types of fractions, how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, that whatever we learned in previous videos we will learn in I will revise that all concept in 10 minutes. Okay, here in fractions there are 5 types will come. Okay, first one is, then what is fraction? Before going to know the types of fraction, we know that fraction means it is a part of the whole. Okay, here there are 2 terms will come, numerator and denominator and whatever. For example, here 2 by 3 is there. Okay, 2 by 3, this we are calling numerator and for this we are calling denominator. For this we are calling dividing line. Okay, here there are 5 types of fractions will come. Okay, 5 types. First one is like fraction, second one is unlike fraction. Okay, like fraction, after that unlike fraction, after that you know like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction. Okay, very important fractions, proper fraction. After that you have improper fraction, improper fraction. After that mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction. See here, if I will tell you the definitions, means you will not understand. I will go through directly example. See here, 8 by 3, 8 by 3, 5 by 3, 4 by 3. You see this here, the denominators are same. A fraction which have a same kind of denominators. Here 3, 3, 3. For that fraction we are calling like fractions. 2 or more fractions which have a same denominator, for that we are calling like fractions. Then what is unlike? It's opposite. Take here 1 by 2, 2 by 10, 5 by 6. Here 2 or more fractions, they have more means different denominators. For that we are calling unlike fractions. Here 2, 10, 6 different are their denominator. For that we are calling unlike fractions. Then what is proper fraction? You take here 2 by 3. See here, numerator is small and denominator big is there, means for that fraction we are calling proper fraction. 2 by 3. You take here 5 by 10. Numerator is small and denominator is big is there, means that fraction we are calling proper fraction. Improper fraction is its reverse. You take here 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is a improper fraction. Numerator big and denominator small is there, means for that we are calling improper fraction. 7 by 2. You take here 10 by 9. This kind of fractions we are calling improper fraction. Mixed fraction means one whole number and one proper fraction is there, means proper fraction means numerator is small and denominator big is there, means for that we are calling proper fraction. With that you have a whole number, means for that we are calling mixed fraction. These are some fractions. Okay, here you converted improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed to improper fraction. Okay, this all you learned in previous class, means in previous video. Then here, then what you are going to learn in today's class? In today's class you are going to learn about equivalent fraction. This is also one important fraction in fractions. Okay, so this is about a previous video. Then today we will learn about what is equivalent fraction, how to find the equivalent fraction and how to check whether the following fraction is equivalent or not and how to reduce the fractions. Okay, then what is equivalent fraction? Fraction that represent the same part of the whole. The fraction that represent the same part of the whole is called equivalent fraction, equivalent fraction, equivalent fraction. Okay, I will draw here some figures here. Same figure is there. I will make here different parts. What is equivalent fraction? Means a fraction that represent the same part of the whole is called equivalent fraction. Okay, I will draw here. See here. I will shade this part. Okay, how to write this in fraction? Total parts are 2 and shaded part are 1. How to read this? 1 by 2. After that, here I made 2 parts, and on next I will make here 4 parts, and I will shade here 2 parts. Okay. Okay, then tell me, total parts are 4 and shaded part are 2. Okay, after that I will make here 6 parts. 6 parts. Okay, I will make here 6 parts. Okay, and I will shade here 3 parts. Okay, then take here 6 and shaded part are 3. See here, same figure is there. Okay, same figure, but the representation is different. Means here same part, 1 by 2 means also same, 2 by 4 means also same, and 3 by 6 also means also a same. Here no change. Okay, but here more part will come. Here, see here, observe, all part is also a same only. Fractions that represent the same part of the whole is called equivalent fraction. Okay, I hope you understood what is equivalent fraction. Means the part of the whole which represent means fraction that represent the same part of the whole is called equivalent fraction. 1 by 2 is also means same, and 2 by 4 is also means same, 3 by 6 also means same. Means all are equal to each other. Okay, then here next question is, the question will ask like this: find 3 equivalent fractions for the following. See here, the question will come like this: find 3. Means if they will ask 3 means you write 3, if they will ask 4 means you write 4. 3 equivalent fractions for the following. I will take here 3 examples, very important concept, and try to solve this kind of examples. Okay, then take here 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. The first question is 3 by 4 is there, and they asked you write 3 equivalent fractions. Then how to find the 3 equivalent fraction? When you are going to find the equivalent fractions, you multiply the numerator and denominator with same number. Take here 3 by 4 is there. Okay, into I will take here 2 by 2. Again I will take 3 by 4 is there. No, here I will take one more 3 by 3. Again I will take one more 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Here no need to take 2, 3, 4. You take any 3 serial numbers. Okay, and multiply this.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತು.
ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Following, here I took one example 3 by 4, and how to find the 3 equivalent fractions means you multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. I took here 2, 3, 4. Don't take only 2 here. When you are multiplying, multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. You take here 5, 6, 7, no problem. But when you are taking, no, you take serial wise numbers, serial wise. Here 3 by 4 is there, no? Means 1, if you took 1 means the same number will come. You take next digit. Okay, 2 by 2. 3 2 is 6, 4 2 is 8, 3 3 is 9, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. Okay. You take, I took up to year 4 because they asked the question, find 3 equivalent fractions for the following. So I took here 3. If they will ask for you means you take here 3 by 4, 5 by 5. Okay, next you take 5, 6, 7, no problem. So its equivalent fractions are, the 3 by 4's equivalent fractions are 6 by 8, next 9 by 12, next 12 by 16, and middle you give the equal sign because they are equivalent fractions, they are equal to each other. This type you have to find the 3 equivalent fractions for the following. I will take one more example, 8 by 11. Here also you have to follow the same procedure. Which procedure? You take numerator and denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator with same number. I will take here 8 by 11 into 2 by 2. Next 8 by 11 into 3 by 3. 8 by 11 into 4 by 4. Okay. 8 2s are 16. 11 2s are 22. Next 8 3s are 24. 11 3s are 33. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 11 4s are 44. So its equivalent fractions are 16 by 22. Next 24 by 33. Next 32 by 44. See here, the question is there, write 3 equivalent fractions, 1, 2, 3. I wrote 3 equivalent fractions here. I will take one more example. Equivalent fraction means, already you know, equivalent fraction means representing the same part, which represent the same part of the whole. Okay. Then third one is, the question is there, 6 by 7. Here also what to do? Here you have to take 6 by 7 and multiply with 2 by 2, 6 by 7, 3 by 3, 6 by 7, 4 by 4. Don't forget to take denominator also. Don't multiply only with the numerator. 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28. Okay, here you take 12 by 14, next 18 by 21, next 24 by 28. Okay, if they will ask for you equivalent fraction means you take here 6 by 7, 5 by 5, 6 by 7, 6 by 6. This type you have to write the equivalent fractions for the following. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Then next concept is checking whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. You have to check it. Okay, checking for equivalent fractions. Checking for equivalent fraction. Checking for equivalent fraction. Okay, I will take here one example, 5 by 9 and 15 by 27. 5 by 9 and 15 by 27. Then how to check whether it is equivalent or no? For that we have to do cross multiplication. 5 by 9 and here 15 by 27 is there. For that you have to do cross multiplication. For this we are calling cross multiplication. You take here 5 into 27, 5 into 27, okay, next 9 into 15. I hope you are getting my point. The question is there, checking for equivalent fraction. You take the number and multiply, cross multiplication. You have to do 5 into 27 and 9 into 15. Okay, 27 5s are how much? See here, 27 5s are 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So here you write 135, and 15 9s are also how much? We will check once again. 15 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, 135. Okay, if you get LHS equal to RHS, LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. If you get the same answer both the side, means it is equivalent fraction. It is equivalent fraction. See here, thus here you have to write 5 by 9 and 15 by 27 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Okay, I will repeat once again. See here, 5 by 9 and 15 by 27, cross multiplication, 5 into 27 and 9 into 15. If you multiply, see here, I multiplied 5 into 27 and 9 into 15, I got 135 as an answer. Both the side is there, so for that 5 by 9 and 15 by 27 are equivalent fraction. Okay, I will take here one more example. 2 by 7 and 11 by 9. Okay, here also the same step. 2 by 7, 11 by 9, cross multiplication, 2 into 9 and 7 into 11. 2 into 9 is equal to 7 into 11. 2 9s are 18. Okay, 11 7s are 77. So tell me, this is the equivalent fraction? No, because here LHS is 18 and RHS is 77. Thus 2 by 7 and 11 by 9 are not equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. If you get, means LHS is equal to RHS is there, means that is equivalent fraction. LHS is not equal to RHS is there, means that is not equivalent fraction. I hope this is clear to you. I taught in this class equivalent fraction, how to find the equivalent fractions, how to check the following fractions are equivalent or not. Then next concept is reduce the lowest form. To reduce in lowest form. Then how to reduce? To reduce in lowest form. Very important concept. To reduce lowest form. I will take here some example. Lowest form. 36 by 54. I will take here 6 by 8. I will take here 15 by 18. I will go with small examples. Next 14 by 35. Next 72 by 96. For this you must and should know the tables. Okay, I will go through second example. Okay, 6 and here 8 is there. Then tell me 6 and 8 are there in which table? 6 and 8 are there in okay, 2 on the table. See here, 6 and 8. You divide with 2 and divide with 2. How much is 6? 2 3s are 2. How much is 8? 2 4s are. Okay, here you have to cut the number. You have to keep the following number in a lowest form. Take here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So here you have to write 3 by 4. It is the lowest form of 6 by 8. Why? Because we can't divide this numbers. 3 and 4 are not there in a same table. So 3 by 4 is its lowest form. And when you are dividing, for example here 6 by 8 is there. If you are writing here 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8, wrong. When you are dividing, no, you take, means the both numbers should be in the same table. How you have solved in LCM and HCF, no, the same procedure you have to follow. But here you divided means you found there LCM HCF, here you have to write its quotient, means how much the quotient will come, no, that you have to write. Okay, then next here 36 and 54, the both are numbers are there in 6 on the table. For this you must and should know the tables. Then 6, how much the 36, 6 6 the 36. Next 6 9 the 54. Here you write 6 by 9. Okay, then see here 6 and 9, again they both are there in same table and they are there in 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9. Then its lowest form is 2 by 3, because we can't divide 2 and 3, they both are not there in same table. So this last form we are calling the lowest form of the fraction. Okay, next here 15 by 18 is there. The both numbers are there in 3 ones the table. 3 5s are 3 6s are. 5 by 6 is its lowest form, because 5 and 6 are not there in same table. Okay, next 14 by 35. Okay, both are there in 7 ones are table. 7 2s are 7 5s are. So its lowest form is 2 by 5. Then tell me these two numbers are there in 12 ones are table. Okay, 12 ones are table. 12 6s are 72. 12 8s are. Okay, 12 6s are 72. 12 8s are 96. Next here write 6 by 8. Again 2 3s are 2 4s are. So its lowest form is 3 by 4. This type you have to write the lowest form of the following fractions. Okay, in this class you learned what is equivalent fraction, how to find the means few more equivalent fractions, how to check whether it is a equivalent fraction or not, and how to reduce the fractions. Okay, this is all about today's class. In next class we will continue next part of the fraction. Thank you.